Menteri Ramba Kajala Konrad ki sangma hak arpnyo trik nai wieng ulaong baka jimpenlong ya jingiakren pynbeit put hak kala kabaar ber ka Assam kan sa sdang biang shen. Habakren sakilap thai kubor Konrad ulaong. Gikermen bangin la ben sedang biang shen ya jingiakren bat jinga kedu hindre ngamla ben batai shapi ya kapor ya menta tat hadu penyo yakren ya Chief Minister ke Assam. Ulaong ru ngilaya keren man kapor Henry hapadeng kani ngiladan yak election ka election shiteng samay bat kiwei ki kam kumta kalapan syamjing namar kini ki aka am namar kiwei pat kidaw kumta menta ngin saya pen ngin saya keren ngatharai kandang don kajing thau sarkar hapo Maharashtra kumjuk ka election kadang shudap shen Jharkhand kumta ru kini kijing kilami bat ki balapan slam yak kajing keren ulaban ram.
Yes, we have been communicating, but in between we had elections, by-elections and other things. So it has been quite complicated because of those aspects, not because of any other factor, but because we have been also tied up with so many other issues. That today's the vote taking has just taken, the swearing in just taken place of the MLA. So now we'll see, we'll be communicating. I think Maharashtra government is still being formed. So election is just got over in Jharkhand, and therefore these complications have come up which have delayed the overall talks. We hope that we'll be able to resume the talks and meet very soon, but it's not possible for me to give you a time right now until I have a word with my counterpart.